In the next video, we'll look at the Joomla components, modules, and plugins, where to find them. So I want to make sure that you are familiar with the admin panel before we actually get into the design of the actual website, where you can follow along step by step. If I might be repeating myself, already showing you some of the things, if you feel at any stage that you're already familiar with it and you don't need to see it again, please feel free to advance to the next video. Right, looking at components. Components you can be located from the component menu. You will see there's a banners component, contacts component, Joomla updates, messages. This is all standard components that comes pre-installed with Joomla. To access any component, just clearly select it from the component menu and you can start interacting with your component. Modules is located under the extensions menu. Click on Module Manager and you will see a list of all your modules that's been installed on your website. If you want to see more than 20 at a time, select all at the bottom and you can scroll through all the modules. First is the title, and then you will see the status. Status means if it's published or unpublished. If I simply want to unpublish it, I'll click on this little green tick mark and it will automatically be unpublished. Want to publish it again, just click on it and it will be published. Next to the status, you'll notice a position. We'll get into positions a little bit later on. If you scroll down, you can see there's quite a few different positions. Position 0, 1, 10, 11, 12, top menu, sidebar, but we'll get into positions a little bit later on. Next is the ordering. If you put more than one module in the same position, you can set the ordering, which one should be displayed first, second, third, and so on. Then you have your type. You've got different types of modules that you can create. If you click on new, you'll see you've got archived articles, article category, article related articles, breadcrumbs, feed display. If you keep your mouse over one of the options, it will give you a short description of what this module is about. For instance, a random image. This module displays a random image from your chosen directory. Right, I'm not going to create any modules right now. This is just a brief overview. Pages. This will be on what pages this modules will be displayed. For instance, if we open the search module, we'll see here at the bottom the menu assignment only on the pages selected. So for instance, the search module will only display on the search page. If you want this module to display on all pages, you'll just simply select all pages and save. If you don't want to display it on any pages, click no pages, only on pages except those that I select, so it will not display on basically those two pages. That's what the pages means. Access means if it's going to be public accessed, if it's only going to be available to registered users, or if it's going to be special privileges. So special is only for the super admin. Language, don't bother with that. That's just all languages. We're not going to go into languages for now. And then simply the ID of each module. If you go back to the extensions menu and you click on Plugin Manager, this is where you can locate all your plugins. Plugins is more or less the same. You've also got your status, ordering, what type, what element, and then the access. If you open any plugin, let's go to the editor, you will have some basic options on the right hand side that you can change for your plugin. Now this plugin, this is the editor plugin. TinyMCE is a platform independent web-based JavaScript HTML. What you see is what you get, editor control. This plugin I'm going to show you. I'm just going to close up here. If I go to Content Article Manager and I click on any article that I want to edit, this is TinyMCE editor, the plugin editor. And that is basically the basics of the components, modules and plugins, where to find them. Later on I'm going to go into more detail on how to create them, how to assign them to specific positions, how to make them either public or special or registered for the access levels, and